How to fix iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max speaker audio issues. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix iPhone speaker audio issues, firstly try to remove your case and see if that fixes the issue, as many a times thick cases might result in speaker issue. Now launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Sounds and Haptics. You will see the option for Change with Buttons. Go ahead and toggle off the button for Change with Buttons and now scroll down and tap on Headphone Safety. Here, make sure the toggle button for Reduce Loud Audio is toggled on. Go back to Settings and now tap on Bluetooth and toggle off the button for Bluetooth for the time being, and lastly, restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone, and your iPhone speakers should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.